every robotics team hits the same wall. Brilliant hardware, buried under months of glue code, brittle scripts, and integrations that break the moment anything changes. 10Things takes a robot from CAD to production on one platform. 6 connected hubs, 1 lifecycle, the operating system for physical AI. It starts in the Discovery Hub. Drop in your CAD, and 10Things turns every part, joint, and material into a simulation-ready model. URDF, USD, MJCF, with the exact physics and joint limits you designed. The Control Hub brings it to life. Teleoperate with a leader arm, a joystick, even hand tracking. Collect data and train, with Isaac Sim and ROS working in one loop to coach your robot toward the task. The Code Generation Hub writes your robot-ready stack. A planner, a coder, and a reviewer working together through quality gates to produce ROS 2 control logic you can trust. With the Interaction Builder, you design how people, operators, and robots work together, building the workflows and interfaces without starting from scratch. The Deployment Hub ships it to the fleet. Validation, over-the-air rollout, canary releases, and one-click rollback, with telemetry streaming back. And the Admin Hub keeps it all healthy. Users, permissions, fleet health, and a full evidence trail for every change and every action. Discover, control, build, interact, deploy, govern. One platform, the whole robot lifecycle. That's 10Things.